We've got a pair of Wi-Fi wall sockets which are compatible with Alexa, iOS and Android. And here we have the Wi-Fi Smart Sockets. So this is the box that it came in. So you can use the App Store, you've got Google Play, and it works with Amazon Alexa as well. Bit of information on the side of the box, so they are wireless plugs. The rated voltage is AC 100 to 240 volts. The rated current is 10 amps on these plugs. And you've got the various security types that you can get as well to get them up. Weight 345 grams, just gives you the model number, which is the SWA1. You get some documentation which helps you setting the plugs up. So you can just scan the QR code, so you've got the iOS app that side and we've got the Android app this side. Just basically gives you a quick breakdown of everything that the sockets can do, and these are the sockets themselves. So I do have two sockets, just a little bit of information on the plugs there. So let's hook them up. We'll try and get something plugged in. Let's see if we have any issues connecting it to the wireless network as well. Okay, so we're going to plug the Wi-Fi plug socket in now. So we slam that in there. Oh, it's got a nice pretty purpley blue and red light on top of it.
It's alive!
So let's scan the QR code from the front of the manual. So let's do that quickly. So it wants me to go onto the Google Play Store, which is fine. Let's OK that. eFamily Cloud. So let's install that software. Okay, so the software's downloaded. So let's open it up. Let's see what it does. Right, so we need to register an account. So let's quickly do that now. So I'm registering using my email address. So I should receive a verification code now. So let me just check my emails. Let's put the code in. So I've just put the verification code in, so it wants me to put a password in now, so I'll quickly do that. Okay, so the password's in, so we've got turn on your smart life. So I've got create family or log out, so let's create a family. So I think we just basically name the plugs and select which room they're going to go in the house, so I'll do that now. Okay, so we've given ourselves a family name, Andyhhhdx, so I want to add a device now, so let's do that. So we need to select what it is, so it should be a socket. Power on the device, confirm that the indicator light is blinking rapidly, twice per second, that looks about right. So it just wants my network password now, so I'll put that in. Okay, that should be connecting now. Bear in mind, it doesn't connect to a 5 GHz network, it needs to be 2.4 as well, that's something to bear in mind. So my router is in the same room as this plug as well, so I'm hoping this shouldn't take too long. Right, okay. That was very quick, so that is connected now, so completed. So there's the socket, so we can put timers on there. Right, can we switch on and off? Okay, so the socket is switched off now. You might have just heard it click as well. So if I switch it back on, well, we've got a blue light on there at the moment, which I presume means it's off. So if we press it again, okay, socket's back on. Left time, so we've got a countdown timer. So it looks like you can do a countdown to switch the plug off as well, which is quite nice. We can add schedules as well, so you can set the plug to be on at certain times of the day. That's quite nice. So let's plug something in and we'll do a quick on and off test on there. So let me go and grab something. Okay, so I've plugged my battery charger into the plug socket. So that is on at the moment. Let's switch the plug off using the app on my phone. So see if you can get both in the picture there. Okay, so socket's off, battery charger's gone off as well. Switch it back on. There we go. So yeah, it works great, to be honest. Useful bit of kit, especially if you're an elderly person, you really struggle to keep going up and down to plug sockets. The app's quite useful as well, so you can get a list of all your sockets that you've got there. So in this pack we got 2 sockets, so I could put one in the living room, one in the bedroom, and you can kind of segregate where plug sockets are, so you can go to each room and just switch that certain room off. So I quite like it. Decent bit of kit. Yeah, so I mean, if you just want something basic with on and off, yeah, this is really good. Obviously you've got these extra smart settings as well, which to be honest I don't really know how to use them. So time lapse, trigger automation. So I presume if you switch one certain plug off, you can get to switch other plugs off as well. If you're somebody who struggles to set things like this up, this was very easy to do. Literally just scan the QR code, download the app, just register an account on there, and everything else was very simple. So who would use these Wi-Fi wall sockets? Anybody really. I originally thought they would be directed at elderly people who find it more of a struggle to get down to switch plugs off and plug things in and out.
Never exercised a day of my life.
But the more I think about it, pretty much everybody's got a phone these days, and we're living in a society now where everybody's getting extremely lazy as well, so this just saves another job of reaching down the back of the wall and like knocking plug sockets off. So If you can do it by the use of a mobile phone app within Alexa, then they're going to be aimed at everybody. And my star rating for the Wi-Fi wall sockets will be 9 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's being created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.